Hey, my name is Mohammed. I'm one of the owners with Unprofessionally Built. In this video, we're going over getting our cart ready for the seat and the engine. I really want to thank you for clicking on this video. We are fairly new, so if you can like and subscribe, it would mean a lot to us, and it would only take a second out of your day. Thank you. So I just wanted to say that in this part that the audio did cut out. We were using the Meta glasses to record, but we did switch to our GoPro. We were just looking for the parts we needed to start our Go Kart build for today. Yeah.
So today I'm gonna show you how to beat up the security guard.
Make one of those into a Go Kart.
I can't hit you on the head now.
No gloves.
Right.
Using it with a grinder.
That's why they call me Mustafa Strongman, you know what I'm saying?
No one calls you that.
See? Then axe hut. Then weld it. Ah! It's hot.
It's just a bit hot.
Yeah. And weld another one over here. A piece of metal, sheet, seed, and then this. Maybe one over here. Okay. What is the
Okay, so I just wanted to announce some things. The go-kart is going really well. We have a Mercedes in the works. We're gonna make some videos about that. I'm gonna show you guys it in a second. Got the torque converter out. How many times did that take you? How many times did that take you, huh?
one?
Is it in yet?
Huh?
Is it in yet? Alright. So we're going to take this piece off so I can mount the engine. Huh? Thanks. Thing's f***ing off.
What are they?
Huh?
What are they?
I took these three out.
Alright.
Now I'm just trying to get this out, but I don't know if I'm tightening or... Yeah.
Uh-oh. Here, let me see. Yeah, I don't know how they put it on, but I'm not gonna do that stupid design. We're gonna do it the right. Oh, I mean the unprofessional way. I'm sorry. I mean, if the engine is no good no more, we will just go buy a new one. But for now,
You put 400cc in it?
we could actually.
No.
Just take the hood.
Oh, no, it's a pressure washer in the end too. No, we can get 400cc. I just need the design first.
Right on, match your okay.
Yeah, we're gonna make it red, white.
There's just a bit of rain. Nothing to be concerned about.
You guys like my spot? So you don't have to know, so like that's
Yeah,
Put it up.
get the engine. Follow me.
Go put it back in the
Hey, put all my tools back.
He's gonna put it back.
I thought you were doing it.
I don't know, I just work here.
I was hoping to keep that a secret. It would have been funny if it happened to somebody else, but when I get hurt, it's not funny. But if somebody else get hurt, it's hilarious.
Whole shop might break down on us. Got a little bit windy.
We're almost done, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where is the seat? Give me the seat.
Very professional seat.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man! I stole this chair. The seat of my school chair. You know,
Stole it right from school.
took it off the school.
So how is the seat gonna go? Is it gonna go like in?
No.
Or are you just gonna keep it like this?
What'd you say?
No homo. So is the seat gonna go inside of this?
No. We don't need that anymore.
Oh, then why we cut it?
We cut it way before we did all that work.
Okay, so what did you guys do while we were taking this part off?
Huh?
What were you guys doing while we took this part off?
Oh, we were just chilling.
Nothing. Y'all didn't do
Nope.
anything here?
No, we just welded that, and we reinforced the frame from the bottom. So
Yeah.
we were working on that, and then
I thought you drained the oil.
yeah, I thought he drained the oil. All right, well.
Oh well. How positive are you that this won't break in half while we're driving it?
Yeah, man, it's never gonna break, you know. You know us.
what?
It's never gonna break while we're driving it.
Yeah. If you have hope.
Well, all right, let's pick it up.
I did that too.
All right, are we done? Yeah, let's go this.
Did you flip this yet?
No, not yet. We're not gonna have to do that.
Alright.
Give me a small hammer.
Give him a big hammer.
Here you go.
Fucking
Yeah.
good.
That's what we have so far.
Looking good. And the trash can over there. Just
This is actually the sport one.
huh?
This is brand.
Oh yeah. Man, whoever owned this car before us, I'm gonna beat his
He's truly unprofessional.
Should have just done that from the start.
Shut up. Nobody asked for your opinion.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna reach that.
Is that all?
Like he got a little bit more.
We'll make it reach. Okay, so I didn't record this part, but the gear did bend while we were trying to push it out of the way. It's going to delay our plans for a bit. We're going to go get the new gear, then we're going to make a new video. Okay, so we finished for today. How does it feel?
Shit.
Unprofessional?
A little too professional, actually. I don't like that.
Oh yeah, we got to cut it in half. So this was the Mercedes I was talking about earlier. Needs a bit of work. We're going to give it a facelift, convert it from a 2010 look to a 2016 look. We're going to be working on that next week and have some videos up about it. If you made it this far, I'd like to thank you for watching. Again, if you can please like and subscribe, it would mean a lot to us. After editing, I only realized how much cuts there were. I will be working on doing less cuts throughout the video and just having more straight solid clips.